That was a small guy, but while we're at it, I want to do a quick review of my Shimano SLX DC. I have it paired with a Bass Pro Shops Pro Qualifier 7-foot medium action fast. I got this as the reel from a friend as a gift, a boat warming gift. Thank you, Phil. I like throwing a Yamatanuki on this. Texas rigged weedless. I could throw it in the weeds. I could throw it up under docks, up under blowdowns. It's a great all-around bait, great all-around combination. One of my go-tos, definitely. I highly suggest it, and again, thanks, Phil. Have a great day.